there was a lot of whining coming from the passenger side. Could be a wheel bearing leaking a lot of something. So right now I'm going to check the transmission fluid. When checking your transmission fluid, every vehicle has a different recommendation for the procedure. But for the most part, you want to check it when it's running and hot. This one looks to be spot on. Pretty sure it's just the passenger side wheel bearing. You never want to just change one wheel bearing, so most likely I'm going to recommend you get both front wheel bearings replaced. You find some freaky stuff in customer cars, bro. The only center point that's not spinning, obviously I can't listen like that. Give me an inaccurate reading. Wear on our spark plugs. I said wear, but you know, condition of the spark plugs. YouTube mechanics don't realize that it's literally 900 degrees right now.